Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide your activity status on OnlyFans. Now let's begin. For your information, do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to hide our activity status. On the left hand side, just below Add Cart, you're gonna see a button like this called as My Profile. Click on it, and once you guys do that, you're gonna be redirected to this page. And this green dot right here that you see just below my profile picture, this is my activity status. Now I want to turn it off. Now let's see, next to my username, you're gonna see a button like this that says I'm currently available. I'm simply gonna click on it. And once you guys do that, you're gonna see two options, available and invisible. You can simply click on the invisible button, and that is it guys. That is one way by which you can turn your activity status. Now there's another method to do that as well. To do that, what you guys need to do is simply go to settings. Once you are in the settings page, all you guys need to do is scroll right over to privacy and safety, just below account, and right here once again, you're gonna see this button called as show activity status. Simply toggle off this button right here. As you guys can see, I have already done that. And that's how we turn off your activity status for OnlyFans. The process quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. We're gonna be uploading more videos like this pretty soon. So until next time, thank you.